Now, let's solve an acceleration problem. So we have a sudden gust of wind, and it is increasing the velocity of a sailboat relative to the water surface from 3 meters per second to 5.5 meters per second. Now our 3 meters per second is our initial velocity, and our final velocity is 5.5 meters per second. And then over a period of 10 seconds, this is our time. And then it says, what is the acceleration? So I'm going to write our acceleration formula over here for you. It is acceleration equals VF minus VI over t. So if we want to find the acceleration, we're just going to plug in our stuff. So I'm going to have acceleration equals my final velocity, which is 5.5 meters per second, minus 3.0 meters per second, and it's all over 30 seconds. Okay, so I have my 5.5 minus 3, that is 2.5, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write it like we wrote our conversion problems, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to have 2.5 meters per second. Again, the seconds go on the bottom, the meters go on the top, and I'm going to have my 30 seconds here. Okay, now the reason I did this is our units for acceleration are meters per second squared. Okay, so you can see here I'm going to have meters on the top, and I'm going to have seconds times seconds, which would be squared. So if I just look at it this way, this allows me to make sure that my units are correct without having to, and so it's just like another check. And I would rather write it like this and it be a little, different looking than get the wrong answer, because I don't want to do all this work and then get the wrong answer. So when I put this in my calculator, I get this. It actually gives me like a bunch of 3s, but I'm just going to leave 1. Okay, you don't have to write like the line above here or anything like that. This isn't math class. There's a lot of things, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but there's a lot of things that we do in here that maybe you don't do in your math class. This is a really, really bad circle. It's got a dent right here. So this is our average acceleration. That's all we had to do. So the formula looks a little more complicated, but it's not too bad. So try your example problems, and then you'll be ready for your quiz. And of course, ask me in class if you have any questions. That's kind of what I'm there for.